One thing that has you've always told me was it कि तू ये मत सोच कि उसको क्या मिल रहा है, तू मुझे ये बता कि तुझे क्या चाहिए and where I can help.
Think of it like this, that if my body is in pain, there's a pain in my leg, yeah, will I be able to play cricket?
No.
I'll be declared as injured,
Correct.
right? So to play a good game and a good match, I have to first tackle my injury. Then I'm fit to play the match. How is that any different for an RM or for any employee? You expect him to do his best in the market. He's suffering from whatever. So get him out of that so that he can go along and score wonderful runs in the marketplace. If I send an injured soldier, then will I win the match?
No.
So, therefore, attack the issue, bring health back, and then पूरी जिंदगी है काम करने के लिए. Where's the problem?
Very true.
Right? So, I think everything that you look at logically, right? And say, hey, what's the right way to approach it? अगर तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है, कोई दुख नहीं है, financial or otherwise, then you are motivated to be, you're a happy person, you'll be a happy RM, and you'll be a happy interaction, you'll have happy interactions with customers. Imagine रोते हुए किसी कस्टमर को आगे मिलेगा, तेरे को पैसा देगा क्या?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
सर मर गया मैं, मेरे को आप दे दो. भीख नहीं मांगो भाई.
Correct.
हक से लो, खुशी खुशी दे दोगे सर पैसा, आपका पैसा हम बहुत अच्छा मैनेज करेंगे. नहीं दोगे कोई बात नहीं, जब आपकी इच्छा हो तब देना. That comes with happiness and confidence of what you're doing.
Very true. So, the anxiety that happens with us.
Anxiety, why the anxiety? Because you put an expectation and you're not able to meet it. So don't worry about that. Do your job, do your work to the best of your ability, and leave it to the rest, to the Lord.